Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can unblock phone numbers on Android and mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Android phone, and first of all we have to go to our phone application. This is my phone application. I'm going to click on it, and here we can go to the phone setting, click on the three dots and select settings. And if you want to unblock numbers, you can go to the block numbers, and this is the phone number I have blocked. And if we want to unblock this phone number, we can click on this icon. Alright, and now the phone number has been removed from the blocked list, and that's how we can unblock numbers or phone numbers on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.